Hello everyone, in this video we'll solve a practice problem on problem SLR parsing table. So here is the question which is repeated in most of your some exam papers in CD. So it is a tricky. If you see this question for the first time, you might feel tricky because there are some words like true and false which you don't know. So just simple, you just give some notations for this. Okay, we'll convert as we'll convert this to our convenient forms like a b c d or something. We'll name it just. Okay, so in the left side is all the non terminals and others, some remaining small letters and other characters or the terminal. So let us consider, let this or is equals to a and end is equals to b, not equals to some d. I'm not taking C because already is C there, right? A terminal capital letters. Again, if I take C here, you might get confusion. So I'm not taking C. And for true, instead of true, I will write as T, and instead of false, I will write false. This is all for our convenience because with these big letters it might become a little complicated, but if you want to do, you can go with this, or you can just convert like this to this notations and you can solve the problem. So the final grammar becomes this one, and they asked to calculate the string. For the string not, true and false, so in place of not you can write d, true place you can write t, end place you can write as just b, and false place you can write f. For that we need to find the string acceptance. So let's proceed with SLR means we have four steps. First step is constructing augmented grammar, second step is constructing canonical of LR of 0 items, third step is constructing pass table, fourth step is string acceptance. In the string acceptance we need to check for this. Okay, now let's go with the step 1. So how do we, first step 1 is a construct augmented grammar, right? So how do we calculate the augmented grammar? Just for the starting symbol we just write dash and produces the starting symbol, and remaining we write separately L A B. L produces 2, right? L A B and B. B produces B C. B produces capital C. C produces D L. C produces T. C produces F. So these all are the augmented after constructing the augmented grammar. And second step is, so this is the second step, construction of LR of 0 item. So I naught, first prediction what? L dash produces dot L. Here dot after non-terminal. So write all the predictions of L. What are the predictions of L? L produces L A B. L produces dot B. So again dot is following non-terminal, so we need to write the L predictions, but already we wrote L prediction, so need not to write it second time. Okay, next dot is following non-terminal, so write all the B predictions. B produces dot B C. B produces dot C. So again C dot following a non-terminal C, so write all the C prediction dot DL. Just write the prediction, just keep the dot before it. C produces dot T. C produces dot F. Okay, so now I naught is completed since dot is following a terminal. Okay, now we need to shift the dot. See, if a dot following some element, right, for that all element we need to shift the dots. Okay, so let's construct I1 now. Okay, so in order to construct I1 you need to go to I naught, means in I naught what is the first element should be to be shifted? So this is the element dot L. Dot will be shifted. First check for L. How many L's we have in this? Only 2. So this dot will be shifted here. This dot will be shifted here. Okay. We are shifting the L. So let us consider is I1. So L dash produces L, dot will be shifted here. L produces L, dot will be shifted here. A, B. Now go to I naught. In I naught, L completed. Now which element we need to shift? C. We need to shift L completed, L completed, L completed. Now B. So I naught comma B. Go to I naught comma B. What is I naught comma B? I need to shift the dots. So I2, L produces B dot. B produces B dot BC. Okay. See how we shifted these dots. See, this dot will be shifted here. This dot will be shifted here. Okay. Now see, B completed. We need to calculate for I naught comma C. So C where we have, there we will be shifting. Only this will be shifted here. Okay. Only one C. In the right hand you need to see. So this dot will be shifted here. So go to I naught comma capital C. So this will be I3. B produces, this dot was here, so it will be shifted here. Okay. Now go to, we are done with C. Now what is the next element? Next element is D. So we need to shift this dot here. Okay. So I naught comma D. This is fourth one. Okay, third one after fourth one. So dot will be shifted here. C produces D dot L. See, now a dot following a non-terminal. So you need to write all the L productions. L, A, B. L, B. After writing the production, just write dot before it. Now see, L. Again we are getting L, but we wrote L already. So no need to write again. So write for B. B is following, dot is following a non-terminal B. So write all the B productions. What are the B productions? B produces C. B produces C. Only we have B1, right? So B produces C, write dot before it. Now C. Dot is following a non-terminal C. So write all the C productions. So C is producing DL. C is producing T. C is producing F. So write all the productions and right before dot. So while doing this, just check the productions which I mentioned in the first. While you are doing, just check this. Here are the production. I am not able to turn it all over the time. So you just check while you are doing. Okay. Now for D we have completed. See, in I naught still what there? We need to shift. D completed. So now T. After that we'll go with F. This dot will be shifted here and this dot will be shifted here. Okay. First I naught comma T. Go to I naught comma T. Go to I naught comma T. So this will be I5. So the production will be, here dot was there, right? This dot is shifted here. So next go to I naught comma F. This I6. So this T F is shifted here. Okay. Next We are done with all the predictions of I naught. Now go for the next one. Next state. What is the next state? I1. Check if we need to shift the dot or not. Here dot has reached the end, so need not to shift the dot. Here dot is not reached the end and it is following a terminal A. So go to I1 comma A. Go to I1 comma A. So I1 comma A. So this dot will be shifted here. Okay. So L produces LA dot B. L produces LA dot B. Okay. Now see, dot is following a non-terminal B. So write all the predictions of B. Okay, we'll write all the predictions of B. So go and check the prediction of B. See, what are the predictions of B? This one and this one. For this, we just need to add the dot here. Okay. So B produces BBC. Just keep the dot before. B produces C. Just keep this dot here. Okay. C produces next. Dot C is following non-terminal C. So write all the predictions of C. What are the predictions of C? DL, T, F. So write dot before it. Okay. Now I1 completed. Okay. So in I1 we have shifted this. Next go to I2. In I2 already here L produces B dot, means dot B. Here the dot has reached end, so we need to calculate for this one. But here dot is following a terminal B, so we need to calculate for this. So this dot will be shifted here. Okay, this dot will be shifted here. So we'll get the prediction as, see what will get the prediction. So go to I2 comma B. Go to I2 comma B. Okay, so let us consider this as, already we are done up to, how many predictions we are done? So we are done up to 7th one, 7. Now this is 8. So in this, in I2 dot is following small b, so I2 comma small b. Okay, small b. So I8 will become B produces capital B. This dot will be shifted here, so B dot C. Okay, now dot is following a non-terminal C, so write all the predictions of C. So write just dot before it. Okay, now go to C. Next go to the next prediction. This is I3. I3 nothing there to shift, the dot is already reaching the end, so skip this. Go to I4 and check if we have need to shift the dot or not, as we need to shift the dot because it is in the middle. So okay, go to I4 comma L because we need to shift this. See if do we have L in anywhere else, as we have 2 times. Dot is following L 2 times, so go to I4 comma L and shift the dot. This dot will be shifted here, this dot will be shifted here. So you get I9 as C produces DL dot and L produces L dot AB. Okay, next we are done with L. Now which dot is following B? So go to I4 comma B. Okay, so this is, let it be I. So this dot will be shifted here, so L produces B dot, anywhere B there? No, there is nowhere B, so I9. See, do we get, I think we got this element before. So here see I4 comma B. In I4 B, I have actually forgotten to write one more prediction, that is L produces, it is B produces dot B C. This prediction I just missed. So the see I4 comma B, right? Check for B. Two B's are there. This dot will be shifted here, then this dot will be shifted here. So just write B produces B dot BC. Okay. I think we got this prediction already. So see, we have got this prediction already as it is. This is I2. So name it as I2. Okay. Already we got this. Already we got. Okay, we got this. Now in I4 still what there, we are just done with the B. C also there, right? So go to I4 comma C. So C we have only one C. So B produces C dot. Okay. I think we got this prediction also already. So see, I3 is B produces C dot. So name it as I3. Okay. Already we got. This. Okay. Next. Go to, we are done with the C. Next. Go to D. Okay. Go to I4 comma small d. So this dot will be shifted here, right? C produces D dot L. I think we got this predictions also already, because C produces DL. So we'll write the L predictions. We'll be writing the L predictions. What are the L predictions? L, just write in front of the prediction, write dot. L produces dot B. B produces, so B is the non-terminal, right? B dot is following non-terminal. So write all the B predictions also. Dot C. Dot is following non-terminal C. Write all the C predictions. Dot DL. C produces dot T. C produces dot F. So we got this already, right? Already. Similarly, check for I4 comma T and I4 comma F. Dot will be shifted. Dot will be shifted here. So we already got these two predictions also. So as we will be going here for I4 comma T and I4 comma F, we already got this prediction. Now go to I4 completed. So now go to I. So check for, in I4 we have shifted all the dots. Now check for I5. In I5 we don't have anything. In I6 also we don't have anything. So check all the states. Now we can go to 5, 6 are not there, right? As it is reached the end. 5, 6, the dot has reached end, so we are not taking those. So go to I7. We'll go to I7 and we'll just shift the dots first. Dot is for B, right? So we'll write, go to I7 comma B. Go to I7 comma B. This dot will be shifted here. So go to I7 comma B. So L produces L A B. So dot follows B, right? Only one we don't have. We have another also. Another B also we have. Check it out. See, here we have dot B. So this dot will be shifted here. So Write B produces B dot BC. Okay. Next, go to I7. Go to I7. Okay. This is the I7, right? So we are done with B. Now C. See, where do we have in right side? Do we have any other except this? No, right? So this dot will be shifted here. So I B produces C dot. For this we already got in the third projection. So go and check the third projection. Means third state. I mean, already got. Now go to I7 comma capital C. So we got this also. So I'm sorry, this is we not got this production already. So this will be the 10th production. This is the new production, right? So this will be the 10th production. We already not got this production, but we got this production. Already got this production. Next, go to in I7 only C completed. Now see in I7 what there C completed. Next we need to go for D. I not come I7 comma D, I7 comma T, I7 comma F. I think we have got this already prediction, so we need to write it as it is. So I7 comma D. So already in fourth prediction we got this. So check this D. This dot was here. Dot is shifted here. So write all the L predictions. So this is the prediction which we already got. So next go to similarly I7 comma T. We will be getting already this. See, just check this out. We already got, so I didn't explain it again. I7 T means dot was here, dot shifted here. In F dot was here, dot shifted here. So to be completed now. Now up to 7 we calculated, right? Now go to I8. So check in I8 what we need to shift. We need to shift this dot, this dot, this dot, this dot. So here also this 3 we will get the same. Just we will be rewriting it again. Just for this newly state will get. So go to I8. This is all the I8 projection. This dot is shifted here. So I B produces B C dot. Okay. This is the new prediction, right? So 11th. Writing as 11. So next go to C, right? Go to I8 comma C. Next go to I8 comma C completed. Okay. Now go to D. We already got this for D, T and F we already got, so I am writing without explaining it. Okay. So I wrote it already. We got, no, that's why I wrote it again without explaining. So now let's I8 completed. Now let's go to I9. So this is the I9. Here dot reach end, we need not to calculate for this, we need just to calculate for this. So this dot will be shifted here. So go to I9 comma dot after what there A. So A. So this dot will be this dot will be shifted here. So you got L produces L A dot B. So alright, all the B predictions. What are the B predictions? B produces B, B, C, B produces capital C. So just write the dot before it. Next write C predictions. because dot is following non-terminal C. So write all the C predictions dot DL. Just write dot before the all the predictions. T C produces dot F. Now go to, I think we got this prediction. Let's check the seventh prediction. Yes, already we got this. Already got. Okay. Next, go to I10. Because I9 we have completed everything. This we have shifted, right? So now go to I10. Where is I10? So here is the I10. In this, what we need to shift, this dot will be shifted here. So I10 comma, after which what we need to shift this, right? So I0 comma B. So you get this dot. So B produces B dot C. Okay. Now dot is following non-terminal C. We need to write all the C predictions, which are C produces DL, C produces T, and C produces F. So write dot before all the prediction. I think we got this prediction already, which is the check once I8. Check it, the I8 prediction. See, I8, check the prediction. This is same. These predictions and I8 predictions are same, so you can write as I8. So for all we have calculated the states. Now we need to construct the table. Okay. So here we need to write the states. Here action. Here go to. States we have total 11 from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In actions, all the terminals, means small symbols and any special characters. In this we have small characters D, T, A, B, D, T, and F and dollar in the non-terminals. In go to non-terminals, what are the non-terminals? The non-terminals are L, B, C. So this is calculating this table is simple, very simple. So just see here. First one and dollar is always accept. Okay, keep it in mind. Next, go to the predictions. Go to the go-tos. Means what is the first go-to we have? I0 means 0 comma L. So in place of 0 comma L, you can write 1. Okay, 0 comma L 1. Next, 0 comma capital B is 2. So 0 comma capital B is 2. Next, 0 comma capital C is 3. So just write 0 comma capital C is 3. Next, 0 comma small d means in the terminals. You need to write in 0 comma small d, you need to write 4 means S4. For terminals you will write S. Okay. Next, go to 0 comma T. In 0 comma T you just need to write 5 means S5. Okay. Next, go to 0 comma F. In place of 0 comma F means here you need to write S6. Okay. Next, I1 comma A means 1 comma A you need to write 7. So shift 7. Next one is I2B. In place of 2 and small b, we just need to replace it with S8. Okay.